Okay, so we're on this funky dark ride where we've been given this cute little, oh look at that. All right, oh look, it's like an augmented reality thing. That is awesome. Okay, so yeah, and you tap. It's like an augmented reality thing where this is pretty wacky. Alright, so let's see. He's telling us some stuff here. Oh, I see. I'm a little confused, but it looks pretty cool. Here we go, you gotta tap on these little guys to get the points. If you don't tap quick enough, I just want to point out that I have 0 points right now. You've at least got 5,000 points. You sort of know what you're doing, right?
Sort of. No. My points just keep disappearing. Yeah. You have to like hit it like
All right, let's see. Oh, my score is going to be 0. What did your score end up being? Yeah, you at least did all right. You got 14,000. Just what a cool concept. How'd you do? 27,000, not bad. 17? Why can't we have nice things like this? I mean, it's weird and funky, but at least it's like a different type of dark ride. I love it.
Yeah, 30,000.